The Transformer, the AI breakthrough that changed everything. The most advanced AI systems available today, from powerful language models to protein folding predictors, all rely on a single, revolutionary innovation, the Transformer Neural Network. First introduced in 2017, this architecture fundamentally changed how machines process information, allowing them to mimic the way humans understand context and relationships in complex data. The limits of older AI models. Prior to the Transformer, most AI models used recurrent neural networks. These systems processed information sequentially, one word or element at a time. While effective for short sequences, they struggled with longer, more intricate data because of their limited memory. Crucially, they couldn't effectively retain context over longer spans, resulting in lost details and inaccurate interpretations. This limitation stemmed from the way these models worked, forcing them to squeeze too much information into a small window, leading to ambiguity. The result was AI that could read but couldn't truly understand. Self-attention. The key insight: the Transformer solves this problem with a radical approach called self-attention. This mechanism allows the AI to consider every element in a dataset in relation to all others simultaneously. Think about how humans read. We don't scan word by word. We skim, reread, and make connections based on context. The Transformer mimics this ability, identifying patterns and building meaning from relationships within the data. According to Sasha Lucioni, an AI researcher at Hugging Face, this flexibility enabled leveraging all this data from the internet or Wikipedia for unprecedented task performance. This was the key to unlocking modern AI's capabilities. Beyond language, the Transformer's universal application, the power of the Transformer, isn't limited to text. It now underpins tools that generate music, create images, and even model complex structures like proteins. For example, AlphaFold, a groundbreaking AI that predicts protein folding, treats amino acid sequences like sentences. By using self-attention, the model weighs relationships between distant parts of a protein, allowing it to accurately predict its structure and function. This breakthrough highlights a fundamental principle. Intelligence, whether human or artificial, depends on the ability to focus on relevant information and understand its connections. The Transformer didn't just help machines process language. It gave them a framework for navigating any structured data. This makes it a defining innovation of the 21st century, reshaping AI and its potential applications across multiple fields.